Welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen. And today I'd like to show you how I made this nice, good pie crust. Very easy to do. Very easy. Follow along with me and I'll show you how I made it. The crusts are so easy to make, pie crust. You're going to need 1 cup of all-purpose flour, followed by 1/4 a cup of flour. This is all-purpose flour. And then you're going to want 1/3 cup of butter. And we're going to use a pastry here. And we're just going to cut in the butter here with the pastry. Sorry about that, I had that phone call. Anyways, we're trying to Okay, once you got the butter pretty much cut it in, you want to add in a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Okay. Next, you want to slowly add in some water. Not a whole lot at once, but just like a teaspoon at a time. 1 teaspoon of water. You don't want to add too much because you don't want to get Now on a very floured surface, we're going to put our pie crust here. Okay, what we want to do is we want to start rolling this out. Okay, there it is. That's my pie shell. Easy to make, easy to do. All you gotta do is follow along with this video. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed my recipe for the pie crust. And if you do, please hit the subscribe button so you don't miss an episode, because I do have videos coming out every time. This ain't my only video. And I appreciate y'all for watching. Y'all have a blessing day.